I walk the streets the world forgot, but in the silence I hear a lot. Neon flickers, passing cars. I keep my pain in mason jars. I've been broken, I've been bruised, but I'm not here to make excuse. Somewhere deep beneath the gloom, there's still a heart that dares to bloom. And I don't need to rush the light. Some flowers only bloom at night. The stars don't ask for afternoon. I'll find my time, I'll find it soon. I'm a midnight bloom, growing slow. In the dark, I start to glow. Every scar, a piece of art. Every beat of a brand new start. I'm a quiet song, still not done. Like the moon outshines the sun. You won't see me in full view, but I'm blooming, breaking through. Midnight bloom, rising up. I don't chase what runs away. Some things are meant, some never stay. But I still dance in shifting winds, still believe where love begins. So don't mistake this quiet soul. It's not the fire, but the cold. I burn inside, but soft and true. The light I see is built from blue. I'm a midnight bloom, slow and wild, growing free, a haunted child. Every whisper, every cry, just another way I try. I'm a fading light, but I burn, and from shadows I return. I may bend, but never break. Midnight blooms still find their way. So if you're lost and feeling low, know some flowers need the snow. We don't need the sun too soon. Some of us are midnight blue.